I like to make a video about the white processing on the InkRIP. Okay, this is a client picture, not advertising. So I specially move it out of canvas because it's a white. This is a common type of image that you want to print white because that's the company name. So you can see here I have a called spot color. If you press spot color, it comes with some options. First, spot, name, which doesn't matter. It's just for you to remember. You have different way of spot. Spot is means the color beyond the CMYK. For example, if it's DTF, you have white. If it's UV DTF, you maybe have varnish. You can change the name here. You can change, like to make yourself more easy. Okay. Then you have those options, all of those. Especially for if you want to print the white here, you have to tick alpha. This seems a very complex option, but they have a good guide. Here I have a question mark, you press it. It will tell you what is about everything. And you have a good menu actually out here. Let me make this window smaller. It's a PDF file. It will open on your. So you can see the spot image density. It means image is like this, then the density like that. So if there's an image, they give you white based on the density. On density is reverse. Empty is like that. Then why isn't it alpha is white? Because without it, you see this area of the like this mountain, they won't print anything. That's why you need to tick that. So this is a demonstration what's every kinds of the option means what. You should take a good read of it, then you can get a better understanding. But in short, if you have white that's actually the part of image, you need to tick this. Okay, that's all. After that, you press application. Oh, by the way, and by the way, you can also bleed. Bleed. This is bleed. This is a choke of the white. If you want a white smaller than the image, you choke it, you unshrink it, or you expand it, and become bleed. You have different options. And the curve is if you bleed or choke, you can have a different density. For example, from 0 to 100%, how you cross mountain with white. Have very fine control. And for the white itself, this is white, even varnish is varnish. You can also say the percentage, how dense it wants. You can actually more. You 100%, actually 100% more. Default is 0. Okay, basically that's it.